What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So guys, I am back with another video, and today I am going to teach you a topic that is how you can make a tough multiplication into a easy multiplication. So let's get started with our topic. So here is our whiteboard, and here we go to study. So today I will take two examples so that how you can clear with how to make tough multiplication to easy multiplication. So let's get started with our video. So first example I'll take is that 20 into 24. Okay. So 20 into 24. Now how you will do this? So how you will do this? Now it is very tough to do. So how we can make it very easy? So first I will divide 20 by 2. Okay. So I will do 20 by 2. Now it becomes 10. Okay. Because 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. Okay. So it becomes 10. Now what I will do? Now we will multiply 2 into 24. So what we'll write? We'll write 2 into 24. It becomes 48. Now it is very easy to do. Now what is 48 into 10? Now 48 into 10 is very easy. We will write 48 and then we will put 1 0. Okay, this was a tough multiplication, but we have converted it into a very easy multiplication. Okay, so now this is very easy. 48 into 10, we will add only 1 0. Okay, so it becomes 480. Now we will take one more example. Okay, to clear more about that how we can make tough multiplication to a very easy multiplication. Let's take one more example. Okay, so now I will take example which is 80 into 125. Now this is a big example. So how we will convert this hard multiplication into easy multiplication? That I will tell you. So what we will do? Now we will do 80 divided by 2. So what comes? It comes 40. Okay. Because 2 ones are 2 and 2 40s are 80. Okay. Now what we will do? Now we will multiply 2 into 125. So 125 into 2. What it becomes? It becomes 250. Now what we will do with 250? Now we will multiply 250 to 40. Okay. So we will do 250 into 40. Into 40. Now is it very easy? No. This is also not easy. So we will make it more easy. Okay. Because this is not very easy. We will use calculator to do this. So we will make more easy so that we can do by our minds. So what we will do? Now I will divide 40 by 2. So 40 divided by 2. What it comes? It comes 20. Okay. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. Because 2 ones are 2 and 2 20s are 40. Now it is coming 20. So what we will do? Now I will multiply 250 to 2. Okay. So I will erase the question and the first step. So what I will do? We will write first 250 into 2. 250 into 2, which is 500. Okay. Now this is 500. Now what we will do? Now we will multiply 500 to 20. So it will be 500 into 20. Now is it easy? Now is it easy? Or we can make it more easy. So yes, it is easy. We can do it very easily. But we can make more easy. So I will tell you that how we can make more easy. Okay. Because this is hard and we will take time to do. Okay. So what we will do? Now what is our fourth step? Now fourth step is we will divide 20 by 2 again. So we will do 20 by 2. 20 divided by 2, which is 40. Okay. Now, sorry, I have written wrong. It is 10. 20 divided by 2 divided by 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now, it becomes 10. Now what we will do? Now we multiply 500 into 2. So I will write 500 into 2. 500 into 2, which becomes 1000. Okay, which becomes 1000. Now what we will do? Now we will do 1000 into 10. Now it is very easy. What we will do? We will write here 1 and then we will put 4 zeros. So it becomes 10,000. Okay. So that is how we can make that tough multiplication into very simple. It was 80 into 125 and now we have written only 1000 into 10 and it has come 10,000. So we did not use calculator here. We did with our minds. So here we go. So goodbye guys, in this video this much only. We will meet in next video. So if you have any doubt related to my video, then you can comment me here on YouTube or you can join my Discord server whose link is given in the description. So goodbye guys.